Hello, Professor and class. This is Giovanni. Today, I will provide a brief tutorial on obtaining public records related to homeless services in Los Angeles County. Now, the question I have is specifically tied to one of LA County's biggest homeless provider, LA Family Housing, and its government contracts, which in 2024 exceeded $77 million. Specifically, I want to know how much Los Angeles County provided, what the county expected under the contract and agreements, and how those expectations and performance metrics were established and achieved. Now, my ability to request and receive this information is protected by the California Public Records Act, which states that access to government information is a fundamental right of every citizen. This act is California's version of the Federal Freedom of Information Act. Because my question is specifically tied to spending by Los Angeles County, they are the agency that has those records. Now, to begin, you must first go to LA County's website, specifically the Public Records Request page. Now, the website is shown in the center of this slide. Once there, scroll down until you see the section titled Public Records Request Policy. At this point, it is important to know which department has the information you want. For my request, the department is Health Services. Click on the orange box titled Public Records Request Contracts. This takes you to a page listing all of Los Angeles County departments. Now, when you look at the next section, you go and you see where it says Health Services. Now, there's a specific note there that states that any information regarding health services must be sent to the Public Health Department. From there, you go down to the Public Health Department and you're able to go to their email, which is custodian of records public health investment, and it also has a phone number and fax number in case you need to contact them there in that way. However, an email is enough. Now, you do not need a specific legal form. As I just mentioned, an email is enough if it clearly describes the records you want. Now, in the email, you want to be as specific as possible. For example, I will request all grant agreements, contracts, memorandum of understandings, funding rewards, performance reports, and monitoring or audit reports between the Los Angeles County Department of Health Services and LA Family Housing from January 1st, 2024 through December 31st, 2024. Now, I selected 2024 because it was the most recent year reported by LA Family Housing. I would ask the county for records showing the amount of funding awarded, the purpose of the funding, reporting requirements, and any performance expectations or outcomes required by the county. Under the California Public Records Act, the county generally has 10 calendar days to respond to the request. Now, if necessary, it may extend that deadline by up to 14 additional days. Most records are provided electronically at little or no cost. However, if paper copies are requested, the Los Angeles County may charge copying fees. This concludes my presentation. Thank you and goodbye.